Hello everyone, this is Zeres presenting Divine Public School in the e-learning classes. In our mathematics chapter, we have chapter number 2 and part number 6. The chapter is Polynomials and it is presented by Zeres. In this, we are going to learn the solution of the sums of the exercise 2.3. So let us see the first question. In the first question, it is given that divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following questions. So there are so many options, but we have taken the option number 2. Second question we have taken. Here the px is x raised 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is given. Now gx is given x square plus 1 minus x. So we are going to divide this px by the gx. Then we will get the quotient and remainder also. So in the process of division, we have to be very careful. Careful means where we have to be take care to write down the dividend. This px is the dividend that you are going to divide, and this gx is the divisor from which you are going to divide. In order to write down this value of px, the dividend in this, just see, your dividend is x raised 4 minus 3x square. It means the power of 4, after 4 there should be 3. It means one term is missing. So you have to write down this dividend in this order: x raised 4 plus 0x cube. This 0x cube, the value of this is 0. But it is important to write down 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x and plus 5. Same as in the divisor. In the divisor we have to be careful. Divisor is x square plus 1 minus x. This will be written in this order: x square minus x plus 1. Understood, students? So the power should be in descending order. This you just keep it in mind. Now let us start the division. As dividend and divisor we have written in the powers of the descending order. Okay. So let us start the division. In the division, you have to see the first term of dividend and the first term of divisor. First term of dividend is x raised 4 and the first term of divisor is x square. So this x square is multiplied in x square, you will get x raised 4. So your first quotient will be x square. Now this x square is the first term of the quotient, you multiply in the divisor. X square into x square is equals to x raised 4. X square into minus x is equals to minus x cube. X square into plus 1 is equals to plus x square. Now you have to subtract this multiplication of the quotient and divisor with the dividend. So in the subtraction we have to change the sign. This was plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Let us subtract. Now x raised 4 minus x raised 4 is cancelled. 0x cube, it is 0, and plus x cube, it means its result is plus x cube, and minus 3x square minus 1x square is equals to minus 4x square, and this 4x we have taken down here. Now take the second quotient, which is plus x, and this plus x is multiplied into the divisor. plus x into x square is equals to plus x cube, plus x into minus x equals to minus x square, and plus x into plus 1 is equals to plus 1x. Again you just subtract by changing the sign of this product. Okay, now plus x cube minus x cube is cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square equals to minus 3x square, plus 4x minus x equals to plus 3x, and this 5 is taken down. Now the third quotient is minus 3 you have taken. Minus 3 is multiplied into x square is equals to minus 3x square. So let us multiply minus 3 in this divisor. Minus 3 into x square is equals to minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x. Okay, minus 3 into x square equals to minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x is equals to plus 3x, and minus 3 into plus 1 is equals to minus 3. Let us subtract this one also after changing the sign of this one. Okay, minus 3x square plus x square is 0, plus 3x minus 3x is 0, and plus 5 plus 3 is plus 8, which is the remainder in this division. So in this division we got x square plus x minus 3 is the quotient and plus 8 is the remainder, as it is asked there in the question. So you have to give the answer of it. So in this division we got the result. Quotient is equals to x square plus x minus 3, and remainder is plus 8, or you can say 8 it is. Got the students? Division I think you can understand. Take the practice of the division. In this exercise there are so many divisions are given, you have to take it practice. So be careful in the division. The power should be the dividend and divisor, the power should be in descending order, keep it in mind. Then you have to start the division. Let us see the next question number 2. In the question number 2 it is given, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Okay students, so how to check that first number is a factor of the second number? You have to divide the second number by the first number. If remainder is coming 0, then the first number is the factor of the second number. If remainder is not 0, this proves that the first number is not a factor of the second one. Just same as we have to follow in this also. Your polynomials, first polynomial is given x cube minus 3x plus 1, means this is the divisor, and dividend is x raised 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, this is the dividend. So let us start the division in this. In order to divide, as we have discussed, in the first question, that the dividend and divisor, in both the power should be in descending order, keep it in mind. So let us write the dividend and divisor both. Dividend is x raised 5. After that you should have x raised 4, but there is no x raised 4, so we have written 0 x raised 4. The sign you can write positive or you can write negative, both are same because its value is 0. Now 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 we have written, and the powers are in descending order. Now write down the divisor. x cube minus 3x it was given, so it means there is x square terms is missing. So we have taken here 0x square at the place of x square term, minus 3x, and the last term was plus 1. Now let us start the dividing. So the first quotient will be x square. Why? Because x square into x cube is equals to the first term of the dividend. So let us multiply this x square in all the terms of the divisor. X square into x cube equals to x raised 5, x square into plus 0x square is equals to 0x raised 4, x square minus 3x is equals to minus 3x cube, and x square plus 1 is equals to plus 1x square. Let us subtract. This is by after changing the sign of this product of quotient and divisor. After changing the sign, let us subtract it. This is cancelled. X raised 5 minus x raised 5. This 0 was 0. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube gives you minus 1x cube. And x square minus x square gives you the 0x square that we have written here. Plus 3x we have taken down, and plus 1 also. Now take the minus 1 as the quotient. Why? Because minus 1 multiplied by plus x cube is equals to minus x cube. So let us multiply minus 1 into this divisor. Minus 1 into x cube is equals to minus x cube. Minus 1 into 0x square equals to 0x square. Okay, minus 1 into x cube is equals to minus x cube. Minus 1 into 0x square is 0x square. Minus 1 into minus 3x is equals to plus 3x. Minus 1 into plus 1 is equals to minus 1 we have to write down. Okay, change the sign. After changing the sign, we have to subtract it. Minus x cube plus x cube is 0. This 0x square is 0. Plus 3x minus 3x is 0. And plus 1 is equals to plus 2, which is the remainder in this division. Since remainder is not 0, because that is plus 2. If the remainder is not 0, then it is proved that this divisor means x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of this second polynomial. X raised 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Understood, students? As the remainder is not 0, it is proved that this first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So keep it in mind. If in your division the remainder is coming 0, so directly you can say that this first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 3. Obtained all the zeros of 3x raised 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are given root 5 by 3 plus root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. This is in the question, it is given. So as your polynomial is biquadratic polynomial because its degree is 4, so you have read in class 9th, for a biquadratic polynomial you should have at most 4 zeros. Here 2 zeros are given, it means the remaining 2 zeros we have to find from this question that it is asking. Obtained all the zeros means 2 zeros are given, 2 zeros we have to find out from this. So let us see how to find. As these 2 zeros are given, so we have to take these 2 zeros as the values of this variable. Let us take first x is equals to square root 5 by 3. With this you will get x minus square root 5 by, means first we have taken x is equals to under root 5 by 3, which gives you x minus under root 5 by 3 equals to 0, and the same as second, x is equals to minus under root 5 by 3, which gives you x plus under root 5 by 3 equals to 0. Now let us find out the product of these two algebraic expression. X minus under root 5 by 3 multiplied by x plus under root 5 by 3. So as you know that a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So x square minus square of under root 5 by 3, which is equals to 5 by 3. So this is the product of these two expressions. As they both are equal to 0, so it means their product will be also equals to 0. So from this you can write this expression is 3x square minus, if you will take 3 as a LCM, so 3x square minus 5 equals to 0. So you will get this algebraic expression 3x square minus 5. Now let us divide this given polynomial by 3x square minus 5. Okay, see the division carefully. In the division, write down the dividend 3x raised 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So dear students, see in this the powers are in descending order given. So we do not require to make any of the changes in this polynomial, because x raised 4, x cube, x square, x and x raised zeros powers are in descending order already. Now take the divisor, which is 3x square minus 5, we have taken directly. So let us divide it. So what will be the first quotient? How to find? See the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. This is 3x raised 4 and it is 3x square. Divide it, you will get x square as the first quotient. So x square first quotient we got. This x square is multiplied in these two terms. X square into 3x square is equals to 3x raised 4. And this x square multiplied by minus 5, which gives you the minus 5x square, and this minus 5x square. So this minus 5x square we have to write down under the x square terms. Afterward we have to subtract it. After changing the sign, it was plus becomes minus, this is minus becomes plus, and subtract it. So plus 3x raised 4 minus 3x raised 4, they both are cancelled. This plus 6x cube, that we have written plus 6x cube, minus 2x square plus 5x square will be plus 3x square. And these terms we have to minus 10x minus 5 if you want. See the second quotient, which is plus 2x, multiply in this divisor. Plus 2x into plus 3x square gives you 3 to the 6x cube. So plus 6x cube we have written. Plus 2x is multiplied minus 5x, which is plus into minus is minus, 5 to the 10x, which will be written under these like terms. Change the sign and subtract it. These are same, sign are different, so it is cancel, it is also cancel. You got plus 3x square and this minus 5 is taken down here. Again, what will be the quotient? And they both are same, so plus 1 we have taken as a quotient. Plus 1 into 3x square is equals to 3x square, plus 1 into minus 5 is equals to minus 5. Change the sign and subtract it, you will get the remainder is 0. This remainder 0 tells you that this 3x square minus 5 is a factor of this dividend. Now this dividend 3x raised 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 can be written as 3x square minus 5 multiplied by the quotient x square plus 2x plus 1. Now let us factorize this quotient in this. By splitting middle term, you will get the factor of this is x plus 1 into x plus 1. So you got 3 factor, and factor of this is 3x square minus 5 is root 3x plus root 5 into root 3x minus root 5 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. You got the 4 factor, which gives you the 4 zeros of this polynomial. From this root 3x plus root 5, you will get x is equals to minus under root 5 by 3. Second, root 3x minus root 5, which gives you x equals to plus under root 5 by 3. Okay, the third one is x plus 1, which gives you that x is equals to minus 1, and the last x plus 1, which gives you the x equals to minus 1. So here are the 4 zeros you got. These two are given, and these two you have to find out, minus 1 and minus 1. Now see the fourth question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by the polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainders are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Then find the value of gx. Gx means we are going to find out the value of divisor here. So let us see, as from the division algorithm, we have the formula. Px is given, Rx is given remainder, Qx is given quotient, Gx we have to find out, which is the divisor. From the division algorithm, we have dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula as we have proved it. So find out the value of divisor from this. Rx can be transposed to this side, so Px minus Rx divided by Qx is equals to the value of Gx. Px minus Rx upon Qx. Px is this and minus Rx is this. When you subtract this Rx from this Px, you will get the value of x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2x. Minus of minus 2x, which is plus 2x, that gives you plus 3x and minus 2, because plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and the divisor is x minus 2. Let us divide this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. You will get the value of gx, x square minus x plus 1. So students, divide it. If any of the confusion you have, you just forward me. I'll give you the solution. This is your answer. So best of luck, and solve the exercise 2.3 complete without any difficulty. If you are facing any problem, again I am saying, you have to forward me the question. Thank you.